你好，你好. Welcome back to 会说中文. I'm your Chinese teacher 吴老师. So my teach pinyin video has got really popular hits, and a lot of people come to me and ask, what's the trick of learning pinyin? So in today's video, I'm going to teach you a trick to pronounce nasal sound, and you will find it, wow, that's so easy. The front nasal sound and back nasal sound, it sounds hard, it sounds difficult to pronounce and differentiate, but if you pronounce it in the wrong way, you can actually make a lot of easy mistakes. For example, 船, 船, that means boat. 床, 床, that means bed. Another one, 金鱼, 金鱼, that means goldfish. 鲸鱼, 鲸鱼, that means whale. That's totally different to fishes, right? So today you only need 10 seconds to watch what are the two tricks to pronounce front nasal sound and back nasal sound. You will never make the same mistake again. Front nasal, when you pronounce this, you always want to put your tongue behind the top teeth, okay? So for example, this one, and so put your tongue behind the top of your teeth. That's pretty easy, right? The front nasal, your tongue is in the front. Check out this picture if you're still not sure where to put the tongue. All right, now we're gonna move to back nasal. Back nasal, basically you just move your tongue a little bit backward. So you put your tongue behind your top teeth and you keep moving it back until you feel like this is a soft part. So let's try it. So this is the front, and you put the tip of your tongue all the way back. You hear that? So that's the back nasal sound. And another trick about N sound, A pronounced in pinyin as ah, ah, and the N pronounced as mm. So basically, you slowly sliding from ah to together. And a little bit faster. And the same thing as So A, same thing. And NG is the back nasal sound. So all right, that's all the trick you need to know. Now let's practice. And in, when, on, yun. All right, let's apply those sounds in the words. Let's practice. 船, 船, 床, 床, 金鱼, 金鱼, 鲸鱼, 鲸鱼, 森林, 森林, 生日, 生日, 拼图, 拼图, 苹果, 苹果, 毛巾, 毛巾, 北京, 北京, 墩墩, 聪明, 聪明, 云云. All right, that's it, everyone. This is a very short video. I hope after this video you totally nail the front nasal sound and back nasal sound of pinyin. If you want to watch more of the pinyin video, let me know in the comment. All right, I will see you next time. 再见。